Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bilal. I'm going to show you guys how to use Wealthsimple Trade. I think it's only available in Canada and the UK at the moment. You guys are gonna have to double check on that. But I'd much rather use Robinhood, but Wealthsimple Trade is the next best thing to use in Canada. So let me show you guys how to buy and sell and do all the simple tricks on Wealthsimple. Start off by simply buying a stock, and it's honestly very easy to use on this app. So let's open up your Wealthsimple Trade. Let's look for a stock. I think gonna look at TELUS. It's one of the leading communication brands in Canada, and I've been watching it for a while. I actually own a bunch, so let's go and buy that. It's a fairly good price. The market buy, you just buy it as it is at that price. So it doesn't really affect anything. You're just buying it as it is, and it's pretty simple. You hit OK, confirm order, and bam. In a couple minutes, it's gonna send you a notification saying, "Oh, you just purchased." We're gonna do something called a limit buy. So it buys the stock at the price you set the limit to. Let's go back on the app. I like Bank of America, so I'm gonna choose Bank of America. I'm gonna sell limit buy. Right now it's priced at $21.98. I'm gonna put it at $21, and I'm gonna buy 2 of them. Just press continue, confirm order, and it'll send you a notification when it's there. So I like to use limit buy, just cause right now we're in a bear market. I know the price is gonna be crashing, so it's gonna reach that limit, and honestly, why not take advantage of it? Take some risk, make a prediction. It's honestly so fun. Like, honestly, I get the best feeling in the world when the price hits the price I wanted to purchase it at, because it just makes me feel like I got a W and I know how to read the market. So it's pretty fun. Try that one out. Okay, so next I'm gonna show you guys how to do a limit sell, and let's go open up the app. And I like over here this one stock I purchased called Vista Energy, and it's already at 6 cents, and it's very volatile, so I'm gonna set a limit to again 6 cents. I'm gonna try selling one of them just to show you guys, and once it hits that 6 cents, it's gonna sell that one stock. Right now I think it was at 0.58, like 5 cents or something. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What a limit sell is. Once it hits that sell, it's gonna sell it all for you. Let's say you wanted to do a market sell. You just wanted to sell a stock. So you go to Wealth Trade. The stock is a Carnival Corp, and you want to sell it. So you just go on sell, go to market sell, set it to however many you want to sell, and then you add that, and yeah, I'll just simply sell for you. No biggie. There's something called a stop limit sell, and I think it's a very good tool to use, a stop limit sell, because that prevents you from having any more loss in a certain stock. So let's say you buy a stock at like $15. You know it's a little bit volatile. It's gonna go up and down. And you've been hearing a lot of stuff in the news about how they might go bankrupt, but they still have a good dividend, so you want to hold on, you want to take the risk, but you want to be safe. So what you do is you set a stop limit sell, and what that does is so let's say the price is at 15, and you don't mind losing a little bit of money, but you don't want to lose a whole bunch. So let's say you don't mind losing $5 per stock. So what you do is you set a stop limit sell. The price is at 15. You want to set the stop limit at like around 12, and then you want to set the lowest limit to 10. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Let's go to Barrick Gold ABX, and we're going to set a stop limit sell. Right now it's at $26.89, and we are going to set it at $26. So that right there is just the stop limit. Okay, so I don't mind. So doesn't mean it's gonna sell at 26. It's just gonna start executing. The app's gonna start looking at the market very directly to sell it at that price. And then I don't mind selling it for $25. I'm willing to take a dollar risk on this, and bam, that's it. There you go. Simple as that. It shouldn't be that hard. I don't know why everyone makes it so hard, but this is the best thing to use to avoid any more loss in a stock that's very risky. So try that out, guys, and let me know. With stop limit buy, I personally do not know how to use it. I don't think I'm gonna be using it. That's a little bit too complicated for me. I think you want to buy at a certain price. So once, let's say you want to buy Apple, it's at $250. You want to buy it at $240. So you set a stop limit, and then it's probably gonna buy it between $5 less. So I think that's kind of how it works. I haven't used it personally. I just set a set limit buy order for 90 days or whatever for it to reach my target. So guys, that's it for the video. I'm gonna try making more videos about Wealthsimple Trade and on the stock market. I personally am a dividend investor. So yeah, so if you guys have any more questions, let me know. Comment below, like and follow, and let me know if you guys want any more videos. And yeah, stay tuned.
I be keeping that dough. 10 men, 20 men, 30 men. I'm on something. 10 men, 20 men, 30 men. That bag coming. 10 men, 20 men, 30 men. You know what's up. 10 men, 20 men, 30 men. Yeah, bitch, I'm up. Yeah, bitch.